So I'm looking at the house that's sold in the neighborhood. So I'm assuming the client wants to do something very similar to this, or since she's going to be rebuilding the house. I see what they did to the kitchen. They added some accent walls there, some open shelving. So not a hard job at all. It's pretty simple. Ceramic tiles in the bathroom. Okay, and then they got the bedroom with the 1x4 trim in the back. Barn doors. They painted the doors black here. The bathroom, they put gold here. Then they put the black shower head. So I don't know how I feel about the black doors, but and they put carpet in the lower level, and they should have put LVP. But yeah, we could do this job. It's not a rocket science.